This is the 2023 Starcraft LX18R. You got a black exterior with champagne accents and a brown interior, as well as brown seaweave flooring. You have your two front bench seats with recessed cup holders. You get your table. And then you got a longer bench in the back on this one. Storage underneath all of the seats. Does come with a bimini top and a cover. You got storage underneath the backrest as well. On your dash, you have a tilt steering wheel. You also have your Bluetooth radio. You got a tack and fuel gauge. This does hold 8 people. Here's a view of all of your toggle switches. You do have a reclining rear seat with flip-up armrests. You also have a small rear seat in the back as well. You do have your 4-step ladder that folds up. You do have a small rear deck on this. Your fuel tank is in the center pod. You have 2 speakers under the seats. Here's a side profile. This also comes with a 40 horse cruiser 4-stroke. You also have docking lights in the front. And this is the 2023 Starcraft LX18R.